If you would rather insert like an animal into each of these pages, I'll show you how you can do that. You go to Insert, Image, and then before we've been going to Camera, don't go to that, but go to Search the Web. So the second one here with a little magnifying glass. Then over here, let's say I want one dog, so I'll type in D-O-G. And then I'll pick whatever adorable dog I want in my slide. Let's see, oh, this is gonna be hard. How about this guy right here? So I've checked him, and then down here the blue bar pops up, I hit Insert, and ta-da, there he is. So maybe my next slide I want 2 ducks. So again, I'll go to Insert, Image, Search the Web, and I'll type in duck. This one already has 2, so I could put that in there, or if I really like this little dude right here, I can insert, and then he's pretty big, so once the blue box is around, once my cursor changes, I can make him smaller, and then he's still selected because I see the blue square around him. I can click again and hit Control D, and it'll make a copy of him. So that's how you would insert an image if you would rather do pictures in your book instead of shapes.